In this video, you will learn how to navigate through various worksheets in an Excel with too many worksheets. So you can use the navigation pane in MS Excel to search for worksheet names and navigate to that particular sheet. So this is an Excel which has around 57 worksheets. See, there are too many sheets in this. It is very difficult to find and navigate to a particular sheet. So I will be using the view menu on top of the Excel application. So click on view and there is a navigation under show. So I click on navigation. So it opens up a navigation pane and it lists all worksheets here. So if I want to search for rank sheet, worksheet named rank, I will type here rank. See all the worksheet with rank. So I click on this rank, it goes to this sheet. So if I click this, it will show all the worksheets in this. So if I want to go to VLOOKUP, easily I can go to the VLOOKUP, this one. And if I want to go to any other sheet with switch, it goes to the switch. And search for something else. See, for example, I search for Dmax. Dmax. I click on this. So Dmax. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.